Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that is where all these green and red line annotations are coming from. We want to get things updated here, and this chart's a little tricky now, and that's because there's always multiple perspectives. So from a presentation standpoint, yeah, it is tricky, and really the easiest way to summarize this is, let's just say you're a day trader and you bought right there, or you bought right there, and you wanted to sell within 20 minutes after buying. In that spot, yeah, the chart's not looking so good for you. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, yeah, I get it. The price pulled back from its highs. But from the big picture, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And as long as you have higher bases being built over longer periods of time, that's how overall uptrends are constructed. I am going to be talking about things from a big picture perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trading type perspective going into it. And really the easiest way to summarize this is we're going to apply the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid, is I'm going to get rid of these green lines down here. Yeah, they still 100% pertain to the chart. But like I said, just trying to keep things as simplified as possible. And going forward, and this definitely assumes you have more of a broader term type of viewpoint, but that is where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the overall health of the price movement, just as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Yeah, it would be great if the price can stay up here above 340, 330, but like I said, from a grand scheme of things perspective, as long as the price stays above that purple line, that implies that the price itself is uptrending, and uptrends are the name of the game, assuming you're long, of course. Now, on the flip side of things, where are these levels of resistance at? Well, 360, as I talked about yesterday, still seems to be that key level. Temporarily, the price did get above it, yes, but that wasn't a true break having two parts. First part being, well, yeah, the price has got to break above a certain level. But then the second part being, can the price maintain above the break? And the whole maintaining part of that didn't quite happen, so therefore 360 is still that key level of resistance going forward. But all in all, like I said, assuming you care about the big picture of things and weren't some day trader or something like that, yeah, there was a pullback today, but think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which we're doing here, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, so let's see if they can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.